Today is the 4th of February 2021, which is a Thursday, and the time right now is 10:19 p.m. Budapest time. And in this video, I'm going to show you my daily results with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest forex trading robot in the world. So let's take a look at my day on the DAX 30 chart with my usual 5-minute zoom. M5 zoom means 5-minute zoom, where each and every vertical bar called candle represents 5 minutes of trading time. My day began between the 3rd and the 4th, right there at the gap at the tip of my finger. Started with a little valley, then it climbed up, then a bigger valley, but all in all, it was a wonderful bullish day with a lot of tradable moments. As you can see, those hills and valleys, those are the tradable moments. And Mohini Trade actually did great today as well. And let's see my results for the day. I sorted my results by the closing time. As you can see, it started out very early in the morning, closing a few of those positions while I was still sound asleep, because it still manages the positions, but it doesn't open new ones. But if it sees an opportunity to close with a profit, don't worry. Mohini Trade's not going to let you down. It will not hesitate. It'll close the position and create you profit even when you're asleep. You can see I have, these aren't my usual scalping profit sizes like $6. Well, $2 could be, but $3 isn't. $4 most definitely isn't. $6. And see, there's a big loss. Well, relatively big. It's not even $3. But normally Mohini Trade does like only a couple of cents of loss when it takes the tops or the bottoms a little late, or the market just moves faster than Mohini can actually close a deal. Long story short, you can see that I have some scalping profits like these $1, $0, couple of cent profits. And then there are those big ones that I just pointed out. When you see the small ones, those are the smooth parts. Like those are the smooth parts of the day. When you see the big ones, those are probably high lot numbers, like not just 0.1, but 0.3 or 0.2, or I think I even have a couple of 0.4 and 0.5. So all in all, when you see the big numbers, it means that those are the volatile parts, when something suddenly moved and or kept going up for a longer time. That's what it is. A couple little red ones, but other than that is just the scalping profits. Oops, and suddenly some big ones. Look at that. The lot size is 0.5, 0.4. So these are the big whales, at least on my account. They're considered to be whales. So that's my day. Very, very basic, very optimum. $127.52, $127.52. That's neat profit for the day. Now let's see my open positions, because I have some. After such a bullish day, you could guess, and you would guess right if you guessed that I have a lot of open sell positions, because Mohini Trade is already thinking about, oh, we're going up, then we're probably going to come down, because you know the saying, what goes up must come down. And that's exactly why I have so many sell positions. I even have 2, 4, 6, 8 open positions from yesterday, I believe. Yes, from the 3rd. But I have a bunch from today in the total amount of $288.92. That's kind of normal. And as a matter of fact, this is Mohini Trade 4.07, the second trading day for Mohini Trade 4.07. Yes, correct. Because yesterday was the first trading day. The day before yesterday, I had an upgrade. There was no trading done. So let's see. My balance is $4,354.01, while my equity is only $4,065.02, which is because I have some outstanding balance of open positions in the amount of almost $290. So that's pretty neat. Now let's take a look at my FX book page. I'm just going to hit refresh to silence the doubters. And then the page reloads. Will we get an ad or not? Come on. Are you going to give us an ad? Hopefully not. All right. No ad. Wonderful. So let's take a look at my gain is 319.1% on my total account. But My absolute gain is a little bit less because I withdrew a couple of weeks ago. I withdrew $2,500. I actually still have this amount sitting at my broker's inside wallet. So it's actually at my broker's. I didn't pull it back to my bank account. I don't need this money to pay bills and for other crap. But I wanted to save my initial deposit of $2,000, which I considered my capital at that time. Plus, I secured a 25% profit, which is $500. So that's why my absolute gain is a lot lower. Well, a lot lower. It's still good for 2 months, right? So my absolute gain is only 243.26%. My daily gain was 2.26%. My monthly gain was 94%. My drawdown is dangerously close to 50%, but nothing major. But after taking out $2,500, I still have $4,353.70 to trade with, minus my open positions. Well, I don't have them there, so I still have about $4,000 after my open positions. You can see the red line is climbing real nice. I'm getting a little closer to my $1 million goal every day. And look, the growth is is just astounding. But you see the jaw of the snake, the yellow line. I'm trying to touch that. Yeah, the yellow dot. My equity growth is still under 300%. I can't wait for that also to be over 300%. Now let's take a look at my daily change in percent. And this is my favorite part. You can see that was my only day with a loss, but that was a chosen loss, the little red thing. 2 days ago when I had the upgrade, I had to close positions to perform the upgrade. And look at this thing right here, 3.01% change for today. And these percentages will be less and less and less as time goes by, if my math will not cheat me, percentage wise, but the amounts will still be the same. So that's why I will soon need to kind of revise my sets inside Mohini Trade, because I want to start making very similar percentages as I made here at the very beginning. You see at my couple first days, come on, yeah, like 10%. Well, I'm making 4%, but I want to make these big guys. But you can see these big guys are kind of disappearing as we go, because I'm using technically the same sets from like here, I guess. But I feel that things are shrinking. The markets are good. The price line is volatile enough. Yet I think once I reach $5,000 or a little over $5,000, I'm going to revise a couple of my sets, and maybe I'll do a little boost in the lot sizes. I just want to play it safe enough not to burn my hand, because this is a dangerous business, people. If you like this, if you like my results and you want to have your own results similar to mine, you want to have your own Mohini trade, contact me, please. Below this video, there's my email address. Drop me a line and I'll hook you right up. I think everybody deserves wealth, health, and good times. Right, people? Thank you so much for your attention. See you next time.